So there's a super lazy earning side gig where adults and teens may start it for free, even if they have no money, and make over $220,000. Indeed, it's somewhat strange, but this is what they're doing. Initially, they visit Instagram or TikTok, and they come upon an obviously viral, well-liked video. Next, using their phone or webcam, they take a self-video while they watch the footage. And then using free web-based technologies, they cover 1/3 of the screen with their video, and the above viral video or beneath it to produce a fresh video, which they repost on YouTube afterwards. Additionally, since they can profit from viral videos that the algorithm has already demonstrated to work properly, they receive millions of views after going viral once more. It causes them to make hundreds of thousands of dollars of money from the sales of YouTube ads. It must be among the most lazy side gigs ever that I have observed, to the extent that it's truly somewhat contentious given how very lazy it is. However, if you're interested, I'll show you how they make these videos for free, step by step. But first, let's get going by viewing this channel, Surfin' Boy. Within 2 years, more than 5 million people have subscribed to this channel, with these incredibly slack videos. Yes, in fact, this was the original channel that I happened to stumble upon that is engaging in this side business, and it truly amazed me. Viewing is available on Social Blade, that it has received over 74 million views in the last 30 days. And YouTube Shorts is the medium for it all. All these are basic videos of him watching snippets that have already become popular on TikTok or Instagram, for instance. Consider this video with 12 million views. That, 8 weeks ago, he uploaded. He watches a video in it that he discovered on TikTok. The account on TikTok is known as All the Sugar TX. When you visit their account, you will notice that the video they uploaded is this one, of them decorating a cookie, and 12.1 million people have viewed it. And indeed, by using their well-known video and then publishing it to YouTube again while he watches it, he achieved 12 million views on this page as well. Since I believe that through viewing this movie, you will be able to that in reality, it's much simpler, more difficult than you might imagine. His analysis wasn't really novel, but however, as a result of his exploitation of a video things viewers were eager to see, he was able to receive 12 million views on his remark nonetheless. Even more bizarre is that, as I'll demonstrate, a few YouTubers engage in this, and making thousands of dollars then when they see the video, they don't even exchange words. Yes, doing this makes people money, and they remain silent, not saying a word. But let's speak about money first. What do you suppose this kind of video would cost? Can genuinely make money? That was a question I was also wondering. I then visited Reddit and perused a recent thread where YouTubers disclosed their income levels. I discovered a variety of responses. However, the majority of YouTubers generally were getting paid between 10 and 12 cents for every 1,000 views, with many truly making considerably more money, approximately 14 to 15 cents for every 1,000 views. That might not seem like a lot of money at this point. However, for 12 million views at a low RPM of 10 cents, so we may make an estimate that over $1,200 would have been made by this video, and it becomes more absurd. Since he is indeed having a slow month, he typically receives more than 100 million views each month. Thus, if we total his annual views, and after that, we determine how much money he has earned. Using a 10-cent RPM from AdSense, we can calculate that he has earned more than $224,000. That is completely crazy. To be allowed to start making money from ads on your YouTube Shorts videos, you do need to get 10 million views in 90 days as a component of YouTube's revenue from ads qualifications for eligibility. And once more, doesn't that sound like a lot? Unless you recall it because of piggybacking off of a previously viral video, he received 12 million views on this single video alone, and over 1,000 subscribers in a single day. I discovered a ton of other popular YouTube channels, similar to how this one did. Besides, there were just too many to list. But if you'd want, I can share some with you, to investigate them for study. Thus, this was one of them. Dragon Facts, one of the other channels I discovered doing this. Rather of seeing amusing TikTok videos or reels, Most of the time, he will merely watch adorable videos. Furthermore, what do you know? In his video, he doesn't even say anything. He's typically just silent, really. Like, 4 weeks ago, he posted this single video here. More than 11 million people have viewed it, and all he's doing is nodding, grinning, as well as endorsing it at the bottom of the video. His channel is rather young, as I mentioned. This is what he began doing 8 months ago, and he has received more than 200 million views thus far, and more than 1 million subscribers. Here's another channel that performs the same action without speaking. It receives tens of thousands of views on his videos, to millions, even hundreds of thousands of views. Additionally, his shtick is that rather than speaking, he usually watches a video while sitting there silently. Additionally, he attempts to contain his laughter. You'll see which clips make him laugh as a result, and which ones he doesn't. Even so, Munson reacts. This teenager is engaging in the same side activity, but instead of talking while watching videos. Tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of people are watching his films. Similar to this video, which in the last month has received almost 1.7 million views. And when people learn that teens like this guy can make money on YouTube, they're actually pretty shocked. However, they are capable of doing so. Children as young as 13 can create their own YouTube channels independently thanks to YouTube. Of course, they do need a guardian to set up the ad account when the time comes to turn on adverts. However, YouTube makes it clear that parents and guardians are legally permitted to act on their behalf. And if their channel started to accept advertisements, I'm sure that almost any parent or guardian would be more than delighted to do this on behalf of their child because, well, it means that now their kids could stop depending on them for pocket money and start earning their own instead. Yes, I could have shown you even more stations that were doing this, but I didn't want to bore you. For the time being, we'll go ahead and examine how to create these videos with free tools and artificial intelligence programs. Step 1. Select trending videos to repost using ChatGPT. We'll begin by going over how to use ChatGPT to locate viral videos to comment on rapidly. Yes, in order to accomplish this, we must locate a humorous or endearing viral video that we can view and comment on. It may have been difficult in the past to locate these kinds of movies because you would have needed to be inventive and brainstorm to come up with amusing video ideas to watch and respond to. We can now utilize ChatGPT or another kind of free AI chatbot to just tell it what we're trying to do and ask it to come up with ideas. After that, you can ask it to expound on any ideas it generates, and you can keep asking it to do so until you discover one you like. So for me, I thought that the unusual meal combination notion was interesting after I asked ChatGPT to narrow down its suggestions even more. I then used my phone to search TikTok for odd food combos, and I filtered the search results by clicking the 3 dots icon. Moreover, I decided to arrange the films according to how many people liked them. Additionally, TikTok is now displaying the most popular videos in descending order, which is obviously very beneficial to us. By doing this, I found that this particular video was one of the most popular in the strange food combination niche. If I had been doing this, it would have been very simple to watch and comment on the video, because you could simply state whether you thought each food combination sounded good or disgusting. Therefore, if you come across a film like this that you think would be good, all you have to do is visit this free website and make a copy of it for yourself before continuing. Step 2. Record yourself watching it. Since these YouTube channels aren't anonymous, make a video of yourself watching the video. Since the twist here is that YouTubers are able to monetize and earn money from viral videos by adding their faces and reactions. This is because they are now producing a new kind of video called a reaction video. Thus, it is true that you must be on camera for this. Of course, you can film yourself if you have a good camera, but in all honesty, you don't need one. Jackie Z, a teenage YouTuber, is the creator of these videos. More than 80 million people have seen this video in which he saw a humorous Minecraft clip. And notice how clear the footage is. It's only his webcam, folks. Thus, if all you want to do is utilize a webcam, it can also function flawlessly, though using your phone will probably yield even better results. Thus, I would probably advise doing so. If you do decide to record something on your phone, avoid the common error of recording in portrait mode. Instead, record in landscape mode. And this is the reason why, when you watch Jackie Z's video, the majority of the screen is occupied by the viral video he is watching, with his own video at the top and in landscape format. It's also possible that you noticed something else about his video. He was using a microphone. You should absolutely use your microphone if you have one. It's quite acceptable if you don't have a microphone though, as we'll talk about an AI app later. Step 3. Use free tools to create your YouTube shorts. Now let's edit our popular video for YouTube using some free tools. And I'm going to utilize this free online browser tool called CapCut to accomplish that. If editing on a mobile device is more your style, or if you only have a phone or tablet and no laptop or PC, you can also decide to use the mobile app. After registering for a free account, simply click Create New, choose the 9:16 video, submit your own copy of the viral video, and add a reaction clip to the film. Next, select your reaction video and drag it to the timeline of the video. Next, drag and drop your video clip to adjust its position at the top or bottom of the screen. Then, drag and drop this onto the video along with the viral video clip. But as you can see, our reply clip is currently below our viral video. And come and click the crop button to make those adjustments. The cropping tool will open as a result. To reduce the length of the movie to about 2/3 of its original size, you can drag the video's boundaries to remove the top and bottom portions. You can now have your video clip and the viral video on the same screen. Secondly, you should quiet any copyrighted music in your viral video clip. After that, your video won't bring in any more revenue. Thus, it's simple to silence a video clip like this one. And now the viral video and your viral reaction clip go together like clockwork. Moreover, you can apply any desired text effects or special effects with CapCut's tools. Use AI to improve the audio of your voice for free. To improve our audio, we will now utilize Adobe's free AI tool, Podcast Enhanced Speech. Of course, you can bypass this section if you choose to take the Macau or Dragon route, which involves very little conversation at all. Go to Export first, choose to download the video, and then click to export using the default configurations. Then visit Bytable, a free tool, by clicking here. You can click to extract the audio from the video after uploading it. It will download your audio as a separate file in less than a minute. Next, you can visit Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech, a free AI tool, sign up for a free account, and upload your audio recording. It will now make use of AI technologies to polish and eliminate flaws, making it sound like a polished podcast. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights on how to succeed in the digital world. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.